A lot of you ask what's my all-time favorite food, and I can't choose one, but barbecue kebabs are definitely on the list. Let's mix some garlic, green chilies, and beef fat all in a food processor. Now grate an onion and remove some excess water with a paper towel. Add all of this to your ground beef with chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, black pepper, and salt. Give everything a good mix until it looks like this. Now you either want to grab these square skewers or these flat ones. Either will work fine. Dip your hand in some water, take a piece of your kebab mixture, and slowly spread it across the skewer. And it should look like this. What you don't want to do is use one of these thin ones because it's going to fall off, but they are great for veggies, so I'm going to be using them for these chilies. I always see comments on where I get my equipment from, and it's mainly from Kitchen Stuff Plus, especially for barbecue season, so shout out to them. Now just keep rotating until it's cooked, slowly take it off the skewer, and enjoy it with some naan and chutney.